Yo, what is up, guys? So it's currently Wednesday. I did not make the trade recap yesterday. Well, reason being is that I did not take a trade, um, but I could have still made the trade recap. But like, yeah, I kind of missed that day of making the trade recap. It's all my fault. But yeah, but I'm still here now. So let's make the trade recap. So yesterday, coming into the day, I was kind of looking more bullish than bearish. Why? It's because overall yesterday, if I can show you, yesterday was a bit weird. I don't know what happened. So market open, we left this massive new daily opening gap that got rebalanced right after. We failed to sweep lower right here. So and we respect that new daily opening gap. I mean like the gap that got left behind with that new daily opening gap. So we respected that and okay. And I'm thinking, okay, what if we were bearish, right? We would have probably gone bearish after this candle right here. This candle should have not printed higher because I mean, we could move to this Ferrari gap and move lower, but I wouldn't think that we would have done. So at this point, I would be thinking, okay, we're probably gonna move bullish then bearish. So what would the next targets be? This Asia high and maybe this high above there. So what am I seeing happening, right? Pre-market, we have this weird ass candle. I don't think there was news right here, but like this is a really weird candle. I don't know what happened there, but like that's a weird candle. So I'm measuring out like on the higher time frame, like 50 minute, I think, or I think this was like a 30 minute. Yeah, on the 30 minute, I measured this move out, found the like higher time frame 0.71 place. But like usually I don't enter off of that. So usually I'm waiting for like a lower time frame entry point. So what do I see happening is that we get this massive pump up, right? So we get this massive pump up. At this point in time, I'm maybe waiting for a retracement going off of this because this looks pretty clean to me. I want to see something like a retracement right into here, which we eventually do not get, I think. So yeah, we did not get that. So at this point, I'm like waiting. I'm like thinking, oh yeah, we actually did get it here. I would have maybe entered right off here at this point, right? I would have probably entered right here, not targeting that high, probably targeting this high. So this would have probably been a trade that I would have taken. I would have taken a loss on this. I get swept out right here below, and then price would have moved to my TP. But I'm perfectly fine with taking that loss. So at this point, I see that hit this, we swept this high, swept this high right here. I see we swept it high. So I would have probably taken that loss, and then maybe look for mobile, maybe a possible retracement again. But like I would not be like really looking for a retracement in here. Like I didn't like taking a retracement down in here, but so what happens is that we failed to sweep that high that I marked out, right? And I noticed that as well. So and we have this massive pump higher right here. So in this scenario, I was thinking we're really likely to rebalance this move out. So I measured this candle as well, and I saw this has happening as well. I saw like this point 0.4, 0.71. I was trading a reversal right here, so all I want to see is us moving back into this gap because the probability of us moving back into this gap was kind of likely, as well with this sweep of this lower candle right here. So all I wanted to see was us respecting this bearish value gap with this 0.71. That's what I would have entered. So right here we kind of do sweep higher in through this, but I would have maybe entered on here because it's likely for us to move back lower, right? So I would have probably taken this trade as well right here, and that would have been the winning day. So I would have taken the loss on this trade right here, but most likely taken the winning on this trade right here. And then I would have stopped for the day. My day would have been done. But like the reason why I could not trade yesterday was because Topstep was down. Topstep was just down for the whole day. Actually, not for the whole day, but through our whole AM session. Topstep had some weird stuff going on with their platform, Topstep X. So as you can see, no trades were taken yesterday. I did want to take trades, but like I could not take any trades right there. And eventually, when the platform came back up, you cannot execute any trades, and that was a bit weird. So yeah, no trades yesterday. Maybe for the best, maybe for the better. It could have been a winning day. If I missed this trade right here, it would have been a losing day probably. Well, it could have been a winning day, but I'm not overall upset because I would have taken this first loss, and it kind of prevented me from taking this first loss, and like also maybe prevented me from taking a win. But overall, I'm happy because I didn't go in through the emotional stress or anything emotional with trading. Because yesterday was also a really choppy day. What I see happening, we make a higher high, make a new lower low, higher high, lower low. So at this point, when I see this form, I should be saying, okay, price is really choppy. I should not be trading this today. So yeah, I'm happy that it was yesterday because price was not optimal, and yeah, that's basically it for today's trade recap. Another thing I want to talk about uh, is that like I'm kind of lacking on these trade recaps now. Recently, reason being is that I'm really like when I'm in a for certain period in time when I have to focus on midterms and end terms, I really just start lacking up on every single part of my life, and just I don't know, that's just basically a routine that's happening, and it's basically bad habits, but it's not. It's really hard for me to get out of that cycle, but overall, yeah, I don't know what to say. So overall, unfortunately, I cannot trade yesterday. Maybe it would have been a win, maybe it would have been a loss, but we don't know. Uh, for today, I would maybe probably be looking short. Maybe I could find like a order bearish order block within here. What is the last upwards candle that caused this move? This group of candles right here. This would be my bearish order block. And this kind of a bit high. I'm definitely looking more short than bullish. Why is that we have like this really extended move up? But yeah, today probably gonna be looking bearish than bullish. But yeah, I'll maybe live trade this and repost this like quickly. So yeah, I'm gonna be posting this right now. It's Wednesday, and I should have posted it yesterday. But like yeah, um, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, which would also be uploaded later today. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.